So I will leave the economic value added for you to do, so that we move to valuation of rights. What is a rights issue? Valuation of rights. Is it right issue? Yes, right issues. Valuation of rights issues. Now, rights issues, first of all, are a type of equity financing where existing shareholders are given the right to purchase additional shares of the company at a predetermined price, which is often at a discount to the market price. That's the meaning of rights issues. If you are a shareholder, if you are holding shares in company MP Limited, you are a shareholder in this company, existing shareholder. Okay? And this company's shares are trading at 100 shillings per share. This is the market price, MPS. The current market price in the market, 100 shillings per share. MP may issue shares to existing shareholders all right, at a discount. That means instead of the existing shareholders paying or buying at 100, they may buy at, say, 90 shillings per share. That is a discount. Instead of buying at 100, the existing shareholders may buy at 90. So it is a type of equity financing. Rights issue is a part of equity because it's money that is raised from the shareholders. Additional shares, because they already hold shares, they are given additional shares at a predetermined discount price. So that's the meaning of rights issue. But we are not into just defining meanings. We are valuing. We are learning how to value rights issue. Now, valuing rights issues involves determining the theoretical X rights. First of all, involves determining the theoretical X rights. It involves, first of all, determining the theoretical X rights price. Theoretical X rights price. Theoretical X rights price. If you are to value rights issues, then the first thing to do is to determine the theoretical X rights price. And the theoretical X rights price is the expected market price of the stock after the rights issue. The theoretical X rights price is the expected market price of the stock. The stock here is just the share. We are referring to the share, not inventories, but share, or not animals, because sometimes animals are called stock. We are referring to the price of a share after the rights issue is completed. I gave an example here of of MP Limited. MPS, market price per share, or rights issue, was 100. Then it issued rights at 90 shillings. So the theoretical X price is the expected market price of the share after the rights issue. Before the rights issue, is 100 shillings per share. So that price after the rights issue is completed is what we are referring to, the theoretical X rights price. So in valuing rights issues, first of all, we are to determine the theoretical X rights price. Then the next important thing is to calculate the rights value. The value of the rights value. Now, the rights value is the intrinsic value of the right to purchase additional shares at a discount. It is the intrinsic value of the right to purchase additional shares at a discount. And candidates, the theoretical X right price will then be equal to the formula. Number of existing shares times market price per share. That's one aspect, the current market price per share. Current market price per share. Let me be specific. Current MPS. Now this is before the issue, before the rights issue, before additional shares are sold to the existing shareholders. This is the current situation, current MPS. This is the current market price per share times the number of existing shares. Number of existing shares. This we add the number of new shares times the subscription fee. Number of new shares times the subscription fee or subscription price. You recall here, candidates, we say that the current shareholders are sold at a price lower than the market price. So this new price is what we are calling the subscription price. So that is the numerator. The numerator. That is the numerator. That gives us the price in these are shillings. Then we divide all these. You can guess what we are dividing with total. We are dividing the total number of shares after issue. So that will just be this, the existing plus the new. So these two becomes the denominator. The total number of shares after issue is equal to the number of existing shares plus number of new shares. So that is the formula for calculating the theoretical X. That is the formula. Have you understood? Suppose a company has $1 million shares outstanding, currently trading at 50 shillings per share. Suppose a company has 1 million shares outstanding, currently trading at 50 shillings per share. The company announces a rights issue of 500,000 new shares at a subscription fee price of 40 shillings per share. Calculate the theoretical X rights price. You can see there, candidates, that the number of existing shares is 1 million. Let me use a formula on the board. This is the formula. Number of existing shares is 1 million. The current market price, these are shares. The current market price is 50 shillings. Plus the new number of shares, 500,000 shares. The subscription price from the question there is 40 shillings. So we divide by the total number of shares after issue, which is 1 million. 1 million plus 500,000. So what is the theoretical X price? You see the value of the share has gone down. You see that? So the rights value will be equal to the value of the share before the rights issue minus value of the share after rights issue, which is equal to 50 minus 46.67. So that will be the rights value, 3.33. Is the rights value. Now, candidates, that is the rights value. It is a theoretical value of a right that is attached to a shareholder, the shareholder's existing shares. Rights value rights value of 3.33. The rights value of 3.33 candidates. The rights value of 3.33 represents a financial benefit that a shareholder is likely to enjoy for exercising the right. Do you understand that? You can see candidates, the market price per share is 50. The theoretical ex-rights price is 46.67. The difference is the rights value. This is a financial benefit that the shareholder is likely to enjoy for exercising the right. Exercising the right means if the shareholder is to buy the rights issues, because the shareholder has an option of exercising it or not. If the company is selling you additional shares, you can choose to exercise the right, meaning you can choose to take the offer, buy at the 40, is it 40 shillings? It was 40 shillings. Yes. So a shareholder can choose to take up the offer. When a shareholder takes up the offer, we say he has exercised the right. So if a shareholder exercises the right, then she enjoys a financial benefit of 3.33, which you are calling rights value. But if a shareholder declines the rights issue, then he or she loses that financial benefit. And that is per share. If you have a million shares, you can see it's a lot of money. Okay? Do you understand? Is that clear? You can see candidates, the questions are simple. Even the ones you will find in the question papers will be just as simple as we have seen. August 2023. There is a question number 1. 2, we have August 2022. This is question number 2. Number 3, there is a question December 2021. December 2021. That is question number 2. 4, we have September 2021. There is a question number 3. 5, November 2020. There is a question number 2. Please attempt those questions. In 2024, there was no question, I think, on rights issue. Is there any question? There's no question. So thank you for taking time to attend the lesson. God bless you. Bye-bye.